we had a pop right here. And we get this pop, if you guys look at my cursor, based on a 500 lot sell order chasing price down. How do we know he's chasing price down? Because he comes in white because it's gray when it's 100 and it gets lighter and lighter if it's bigger and bigger. So he comes in as a white line, minus 500 means he's trying to sell 500 contracts. And then you're going to see this line step down as he's chasing price lower. And what's key is, so here he comes in, there he goes, chases it here. Price doesn't fill him. Price goes down. Watch this white line jump down again, jump down again, jump down again. Now the key to this, boom, he jumps down here, still doesn't fill him, and jumps down again, starts filling him, and he's filled. He got some there, and you got the balance there. Now here's the point. If you're short, you write it down and get out once he gets filled. If you're bullish, you wait till he gets filled and take a shot. Because generally, what happens after he gets filled, and I'll back it up, chase, 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 filled, pop. It's like putting pressure down on something, and as soon as you let it go, it pops, right? Price does the same thing. Now, price might have done something a little different at a different time had this 500 lot dynamic never appeared. And that's why it's important to read real time, because things change, which changes things. If you don't know that this came in, you're not going to understand why it just popped. It wouldn't have just went down and then popped without that interference or that dynamic thing taking place. Now, something also interesting happened. After it popped and we went into this 56, 57 area, it had the biggest short puke of up here the session. And you could see that on the 15.5 hour on top of my cursor, or up here top middle, which is just a moment to be careful if you're long, staying long. And what happens is chops around, finds a big buy order or two, rejects it, and the market goes down. Rejects it. Look at all these longs come in, which is bearish. Getting underneath buy orders is bearish. And then boom, a series of sell pulses. These pink boxes come in, presses price lower, at least to the tune of a few handles. But just going back to the dynamic of a big sell order coming in, chasing price, that's something we could see, and it's one big order. But also think of it this way. When price does go down, it's the same thing, only a bunch of different orders that are chasing price. So when you see the chart of a market's price go down, that's the dynamic happening. It might not just be one 500 lot doing it, but it's the same dynamic concept. Keep understanding. I think people that watch these videos continue to have a better understanding of why price does what it does. And then they come and join the group because they realize that this is keeping you off the island that trading otherwise puts you on. And it's information that puts you on, keeps you on the right path, instead of all these nonsense detours of all the nonsense in chart software drop-down boxes.